Alan from the UK in a place called Overton, right? We were just in the UK. What a great country. I love the UK. We were just there for the Ascot, the Royal Ascot Racecourse in Ascot, UK, for the Hi-Fi show. And I love Britain. The British people are terrific. And the food is fun for a little while. A lot of fried stuff. So Terry and I kind of struggled with the fried food. But other than that, love the country. Beautiful. Anyway, he writes to me, he says, "Hey, Paul, nice to see you." Oh, there you go. Nice to see you at the Ascot High-End Show. Well, likewise, sir. My question is about the amount of wiring behind the hi-fi rack. It's just a mess. I wonder if it's okay to just cable tie the loose mains leads into a bunch individually to tidy them up. I would be pretty careful doing that. And I'll tell you why. First off, if it's just the mains cable, you're probably fine. But if you look at the back of most hi-fi systems, that spaghetti mess includes audio cables, mains cables, trigger cables, internet cables, the whole bit. And tidying all those up, putting them together is not a great idea. Now, I've seen, with the mains cable, I don't have a problem with that, honestly. I've seen some really nice implementations where they come down beautifully into a thing, and then you've got them tied right into a power strip or a power plant, like we did in the UK. We had everything going into power plants, and we tried to tidy them up, but honestly, it was still spaghetti back there. I mean, let's be honest. But I am not a fan of taking audio cables, signal cables, and bundling them together. I'm one of these weirdos that, given the opportunity, I'll lift them up off the floor. I know. That's lunatic talk. Well, who do you think you're talking to? I'm a lunatic. Yeah, okay. Board certified lunatic. And yeah, now we didn't do that at the show. I mean, the shows are, God, you have 6 hours to set up. So we're not going to take the time to kind of elevate everything. We just do the best we can. But I work hard, even though it looks terrible. I work hard at spreading everything apart so it sits by itself without the chance of interfering from something else. And I don't like signal cables near mains cables. I don't like signal cables together. Try and just keep them separate if you can. But if you just want to bundle those main cables, no problem. Got no problem with that at all. All right. So hope to see you next year. Okay. Bye.